Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I've got this. Yes, I do 3D print these containers. They work really nicely. Cut agates to polish. Well, they've been sitting on my workbench for months and months and months now, and I have yet to polish them, but they are cut agates. So let's see what's inside. We're going to use the Oregon Thunder egg today. I'm gonna fill it up, see what I got. So let's see, let's spray some water in there. Oh, interesting. I'm not really sure where I found some of this stuff, honestly. But it is nice agate. I would say this is some wascoite. Yeah, if you watched my recent video looking at a road cut, this is wascoite. Some cool stuff. It tumbles really nicely, but it's really fractured most of the time. That is a very dark agate. Found that road cut hunting, I'm pretty sure. But it tumbles really nicely. It's kind of this root beer color. Yeah, that stuff's nice. I like this. Should polish out on the flat lap. What else? What else? So yeah, this is an agate I bought from Richardson's Rock Ranch. And it's from Africa. I don't know where, but this is one of the first agates, like agate nodules, I bought from anywhere. It's got some nice lines, nice patterns, nice inclusion. Yeah, fun. You can tell I really know what I'm talking about when it comes to rock hounding. Oh wow, look at that. That's fun. That's the same. I bought this at Richardson's Rock Ranch also, and it's from the same place. This one is somewhere in Africa, but I don't know. I don't remember. Wow, that's really fun. I need to polish this one soon. Cool. Maybe I'll do this in a video sometime in the future. We'll polish this one. What else do I got here? Offcut from a piece of petrified wood. You can see the jasper kind of here on top is a little plumy. And it's got some silicates running through these cracks, but yeah, that's petrified wood. I found that on the John Day River. What's that? That is actually the other half of that one. That's really nice. I like that. I guess these are rocks to polish, so I need to polish them. Oh yeah, definitely. This is from the John Day River. You can tell it's from the John Day River because I say it's from the John Day River. But most of the agates from the John Day River really kind of look similar. It's just river, tumbled, chalcedony. I like this one. It's got all those layers in it. Polish that face. What else? Now that's the other half of that one. Really awesome. Okay, what else? I got a couple more in here. Ah, the other half of that one. Then this is a little thunder egg. Just a little thunder egg. Little piece. Sometimes your thunder eggs, they are mostly rhyolite, and you just get this little pocket of agatized material here, either on the edge or the center. Yeah, they're not all winners, but I like these little ones. They're fun. I might toss this in the tumbler instead, see what happens. But yeah, cool. Fun. Well, if you like watching this video, I think I'll do more. Just kind of looking around inside what's these random barrels that I have sitting on my workbench. You know, I'm not going to be able to get to these anytime soon. Polishing them, got too much to polish, but you know, I think I might polish this one soon. I might polish this one soon. So stay tuned for those videos. Those are going to be fun. Yeah. Thanks for watching as always. See you next time.